How to enter text in an Excel sheet. To open MS Excel 2013, click on the Start button, then All Programs, then Microsoft Office 2013, and then click on Excel 2013. Click on Blank Workbook. Now here, you will learn about entering the names and addresses of your classmates in an Excel sheet. To start with, click on cell A1 and type S.NO. That is serial number. Press the Tab key to move to cell B1. Type the text friend's name. Press the Tab key again to move to cell C1 and type the text address. Click on cell A2 and type 1. Type the name of your friend in cell B2. Now, type your friend's address in cell C2. Enter the details of your other classmates in the same manner. Now, drag the column B and C respectively to make the complete text in the cell visible. Select the first row and click on Bold. This is how your Excel sheet will appear now.